Hey Royals, today I'm taking part in another fab collab. It is the $10 Thrifting Challenge Fall Edition hosted by my beautiful sister, Diva Designing on a Dime with Kimberly Davis. Now, I'm going to do something a little different. Here you guys, I am sharing with you a beautiful fall tablescape. And I want you to guess what item on this setting is a thrifted find. Everything is laid out beautifully, detailed to perfection. Can you pinpoint it? Have you figured it out yet? Her rules were simple. Find an item, $10 or less, and show us how you style it. So here it is, you guys. These beautiful dinnerware pieces are from the Goodwill. And as you can see, the bowls were $6. The salad plates were $2.62, and the dinner set, you guys, was $4.14. But the beauty is they were all half off, so that brought me in less than $10. So now let's look at the details of this beautiful set up close and personal. This absolutely gorgeous dinnerware set, styled so beautifully with the combination of the champagnes and ivories with a splash of aubergine, pomegranate, and pinks. I absolutely love it, you guys. This setting is so exquisite. Upon doing my research, it is an Oneida set, and this beautiful dental detail around the edge just gives it a classic, timeless look. And I wanted to play up on all the beautiful textures with the ornate detail of the charger, the beautiful intricate cuts of the placemats, and who can forget a beautiful napkin and napkin ring. So, you guys, I'm going to allow you to enjoy this set to a little bit of music, and then I'll come back in and give you some in-depth detail on everything and where it's actually from. Enjoy!
Don't take it personal, I ain't lying, I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. Hey. Taking just so deep and live my life. Don't take it personal. We just building. It's my season. Lay foundation. Make a name for generations, please, and make and take a break or a little vacation and chasing blues away. Hey, hey. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning, or look like you always be working, soaking the moments you live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me.
Okay guys, now the details for this beautiful place setting, starting with the centerpiece. You guys will remember that from my first fall series video, which was a lantern collaboration, where I styled that with you guys on the video. And the lantern is from Hobby Lobby. The florals are from Hobby Lobby, Michael's, and Joann's. Pumpkins are from Kirkland several years ago. Of course, I have the blinged out ivory and gold pumpkins from Z Gallery. Candlesticks are from Burlington. The gold pumpkins on top are from Joann's. Going down to the place setting, the stemware is from Pier 1, napkins from Home Goods, plates of course from Goodwill, charger from CB Linens, and the placemats from Ross. There you have it. I would like to thank my sister Kimberly of Diva Designing on a Dime with Kimberly Davis for hosting yet another fab collab. It forced us to be creative and frugally fabulous all at the same time. Now, if you're new here and you see what you like and you like what you see, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the royal family. This is a lifestyle channel full of inspiration, motivation, and creativity. Now, to my tried and trues and my brand new boos, you guys know that I so love and appreciate you. Thank you for your continued support. Now, Royals, once you finish watching this video, please click on the playlist or the hashtag and watch all of the other creators' content. I'm sure you'll find some beautiful thrifted inspiration there. Also, another invitation, guys, if you have not already, connect with me on my other social media platforms. I can be found at Royalty Designs with Trevina on Instagram and Royalty Designs on Facebook. There you will find sneak peeks of what's to come over here on the Royalty channel. Now, this is one of many of my fall series videos, and you guys don't want to miss a thing, so click that notification bell, hit it twice so you'll be the first to know when I upload new content. Guys, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Let me know what is your favorite part of this fabulous thrifted tablescape. Okay, Royals, until the next video, I want my tried and trues and my brand new boos to have a blessed and most beautiful, beautiful day. Smooches.